Welcome cereal eaters to another edition of What's in the Box. So what have we got this time? Well, this is from 1997 and it's Quaker Oat Krunchies Play and Learn Activity Packs. Let's take a look. So you'll see on the front of the packet you've got the Quaker Oat man looking on at this packet offer, which is Play and Learn, and a fair chunk of it is actually taken up promoting this offer. So that's the front. On the back you've got details of all 4 actual activities to do. So you've got letters, shapes, numbers and colours, and you'll see just below that it does say that actually there's 4 to collect, but if you didn't get the one that you wanted, you could actually post an empty packet off to Quaker and they would then send you the one that you needed. Because the main reason is when you actually came to open this, and you have to cut it down the side there, you didn't know which one you were going to get until you opened it. And here's one of them, and you'll see it's absolutely massive. So it takes up all 4 panels of the actual cereal packet, and it's so colourful as well. So looking from sort of left to right, you'll see there's 3 parts to this. The first one is obviously a shapes game where you've got to put the shapes into the actual house, and you'll see based on this that this offer is really aimed at very young children. The second one is all about joining opposites together, and then the third one is spot the difference. So that's shapes. Then we have letters, and again another big packet back here. And in this one you've got all these letters to cut out, and the objective here is to obviously encourage the kid to actually tell you what the name of the item is that starts with that letter. You've then got a very colourful picture of those kids playing at the beach, and this is very much an I Spy. And then finally you've got a door hanger to actually cut out and put on your room. The third one is numbers, and on the left you'll see you've got a match game where you've got to actually cut out all those squares and then match the number with the corresponding picture. There's a counting game where you've got to actually count the number of items you've got there, like the number of teapots and that sort of stuff. There's then another one where it's called more or less, and you'll see you've got to actually identify which of the pictures actually has more or less than the other one. And then finally you've got a number hunt where you've got various things with numbers on them, and you've got to actually sort of identify what the number is for that. And then the final packet is colours. Now in this one you've got to actually try and match the colours by just doing a normal pairs type game. You've then got a maze, obviously joining things like the green to the apple and the red to the pillar box. There's then a nice really sort of big picture for you to paint, and it's very much like sort of colour by numbers, but you've got colour by letters here. And then finally you've got a colour wheel for you to make. So yeah, really interesting this one. I do like the fact that Oat Krunchies did a number of these sort of packets, and check out the other What's in the Boxes which feature those, because they're very much activity based and really what cereal sort of packets and offers should all be about in my mind. And I especially love the fact that this is so colourful. It must have cost a fortune to print them. Anyway, if you're interested in this and other cereal items, please subscribe to this channel, like and share it, or visit my website cerealoffers.com, click on Quaker and then Oat Krunchies.